What's going on, guys? I'm Watch Ergo, and today you're gonna see the actual rally, Corsa Rally Day 1, as we roll out of Vegas after those Mansory Veyron donuts that just tore it up on the strip, and get ready to see some craziness happen in the desert. So, I mean, you already saw it in the title. Let's go. Is that what that noise is?
Yeah.
Shoot. Well, we might have a flat tire. We're gonna have to check it out. For some reason, the Huracan says there's a problem with the tire pressure and it's going up. It was a 2.6 and now it's a 2.7 bar. That's like 40 PSI. And also the guys on Huracan Talk still don't think it's a problem that the windows won't roll up at 150. This dude in this Pathfinder passed like every single semi in the entire rally on the shoulder. This guy. Whoa. Ready to hit the bathroom, get some food, and then we're gonna go to Big Bear. Oh, check it out. They have to drop the wing to open the rear of the Viper. Old school Alpine V12, super sexy. Look at the crossovers in there. Man, this thing has everything. Look at that Penske remote reservoir shocks. Everything is done to this Viper. I love it, dude.
Thanks, man.
Did not know how BA it was. You got TE37s on that thing?
Yeah, man. The Advan GT Premium.
The greatest wheel of all time. I miss my TE37s every day.
So that's what I'm gonna get next, man. Is the M specs from James at Vivid.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna go black.
This looks really good the way it is.
You like it?
Yeah.
I know it's an acquired taste, man, for a lot of people. You know.
When you can't get your car in the right direction, you just gotta go beast mode like this. These are some sick decals, holographic. I love it. Performante, so sexy. How's the rally life?
It's amazing. Having so much fun.
In the Nismo. Man, I like the gauges in it too.
Your mom's a high frequency.
We thought the brakes on this Aventador were failing, but it turns out it's just this. Oh no. Nasty Viper here, check that out. No V2000 blower, coolant flying everywhere. Performante, the fastest car on the rally. Audi S7, Corvette ZR1. That's popping out here. In and out takeover. This is better than a gas station takeover, that's for sure. Yeah, boy. I know everyone hates on In-N-Out, but I love it. Pumped to be here. In-N-Out was a success. We're all headed back to the cars. We're gonna get out on 429, head up to Big Bear through the mountains. It's gonna be awesome. Everybody's coming out of the restaurant now. We got that Camaro just fired up over there. It sounds supercharged or something. The original Lambros right here. He said he was gonna get a head start. I don't know why, that doesn't sound fun. Launch control. I'm not doing that. Oh, come on, launch it. My favorite Ferrari showed up. There's a random 430 with us. Just saw that. We're gonna follow the rally organizer so we don't get lost. Those guys are just gonna make their own route. We got some dope cars over here too. What's going on? This C7 has one nasty heat extractor hood on it. Check this out.
Yeah, I'm just gonna grab up the
And we're back on the road, headed to Big Bear, down 247, just rolled out of Barstow. We ain't going back to Barstow either. To drive straight up a mountain. We just climbed like 1,000 foot in a minute or something a little bit ago, and then right up there, we're going all the way up to Big Bear Lake. And I think this is, I think somebody in our group wrecked right here. This is the BMW wreck. Oh, dang. Oh, they said get the Rover up here. That's what people were saying. Well, it looks like that beautiful wrapped M6 flew off the road somehow. He must have hit something here. Also, this road is trash. I've never seen a worse road in my life. Look at this. I mean, this is why they wrecked. Here's an oil cooler or something. I'm pretty sure that came off a BMW. It looks like a BMW part. Oh, it's so sad. Look at the wheel. It was such a beautiful car. We just unwrapped the whole car in like 15 seconds. That's probably the best thing I've ever seen. The whole wrap came off. There's a team of 15 people pulling it. It's brand new too, it's sad. Sorry about the wrap. A brand new 6 Series sitting there. But he's okay. Ambulance is here, fire truck's here. It'll be okay, they're hopping in the Range Rover.
That was really fast response.
Super fast. There goes the rest of the wrap. They're like, no one's gonna shoot this, and then everyone got the camera. Everyone stopped, Ray got the camera. This is like half of the wrap right there. It's the sad part is, as a wrap installer, that's $3,000 that just disappeared in less than 3 minutes. Yes. Entire road is trash. It's literally just caked dirt. There's no wonders it happened. You can't blame the driver when you're dealing with conditions like this. I started recording at the wrong time, but we just got it up Big Bear. I mean, no one else is coming up anywhere near that fast. Like 40, 50 mile an hour in those turns, and they're like direct 180s. Like complete switchback 180s. Epic. It was a real Lambo.
Yeah, who hit the...
She just doesn't care. This is a great place to clean the shoes. What a view! Look behind me. You can see forever. I almost say I can see the BMW wreck down there. I'm not sure if that's what it is, but that's got to be the first road we came in on. It's the only road for miles. And the drive up here was just a blast. Unbelievable. I was like, yeah, 2 donuts, man. Good advice. How was bombing the vent through these hills?
It was phenomenal.
Was it?
Did we drive this?
No, we've never driven this.
This is phenomenal.
It's really
It was
fun.
a really good time.
What do you think? First time ever driving the Vent. I think it's wide and it sounds super cool. I mean, we can get, there's third, let's get on it a little bit. Let the road straighten out here. The sound. This car is about the sound and the experience. We all know that. It's not like a technological marvel, but it sounds so good, and it's actually pretty fun to drive. It feels good. I enjoy the feel, even with it being gigantic. Time to get a little doors up action in here. We're at like a four-way stop, so why not? So, Rodrigo taught me how to do this. What you do in the Aventador is you take your foot like this, and you put it right here in the door, and you can keep it up while you're doing like 50 miles an hour. It works out really well. It won't crush your foot. That's pro tips for Aventador drivers right there. And it looks cool. Your Yeezys are outside. The Vent, it's an animal, a showboating animal. That's really what it is. Another gas station takeover. We've got that crisp mountain air up here. You can see the trees changing colors and everything. We're like at the top of a mountain again. It's a pretty awesome, route. Well, the view on that drive was incredible, so this was the right place to stop.
Did it click my nerve?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Oh no, no, you're good. We're about to head out.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, this is great. If you want to know what happened to the BMW M6 while we're driving through these absolutely beautiful canyons, I guess there was something in the road in front of them, and they swerved, but when they tried to correct back, there was just nothing, and the car slid off the road in the dirt. So, really unfortunate. It was a whole, I mean, I don't know what to say actually. The craziest thing I've ever seen, unwrapping an entire car with a new wrap on it in like 3 minutes. There must have been 15, 20 people unwrapping. We were with the Performante and the one of the Bentley Continentals, and they left so hard and got so far. Well, those are cops. So far ahead of us, it was crazy. I can't. It's hard to vlog while there's cops sitting there.
You're rolling in, but that didn't work out so well.
Look at the back of the door. It's
I have
6
my-
cylinders
I have
and
my
stuff,
little
but
bat.
yeah, it definitely has a little bat. All right, it was good seeing you, Debbie. Woo-wee. Long Beach. Weather's perfect. I'm ready for tonight. We're gonna go grab some dinner. And that is it for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time.